Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. Bitcoin, again, a bit of a flat day today, a bit of a pause day from all the pumping we've had. And as you guys can probably tell, we are still in this bearish divergence here. Again, if Bitcoin pushes higher below this pivot point right here, then the bearish divergence will be invalidated. It is already testing it right now, all right, with this little bit of a pierce above it if you bring this trend line down. So we are testing it right now. But overall, we remain at the top of this resistance box that I have drawn. But again, don't be surprised if it pushes higher. This can push higher. We do have liquidity at 46,000 and 48,000. So again, we can push higher, and then higher. There is a lot of people that are drawing this big upsloping trend line here. Not this one. A lot of people are drawing this trend line. Let me just pull it up for you guys here. I believe it's from these pivot lows all the way to up here, something like that. And they are calling for a major top in Bitcoin. I believe it's these pivots. There we go, something like that. And they're saying that Bitcoin's topped out. It very well could be, but at the moment, again, you'd have to adjust this. You know, you can adjust this so many different ways because we have so many different pivots from down there. And again, you can even adjust it to make it go a little bit higher, right? So again, it's really up to the person who's doing the analysis on how they want to make their chart fit it. Maybe you can pull a trend line from down here and pull it all the way through these levels here, I believe, or something like that, and then means Bitcoin would have to go even higher, right? So it's really up to interpretation when you're drawing trend lines. Which levels fit the best, right? There is this one right here with these two pivots, right? I got a nice pivot there, pivot here, and you got a bunch of pivots which intersect with this, this first one over there. So again, this could mean that Bitcoin could pump up maybe to 44,800. Then we're gonna get rejected. So we really don't know. And at the moment, the alts have had a tremendous run as a whole, right? You take a look at AVAX today. AVAX had another pump up towards the upside. Looks like it's running out of steam right now. It got rejected at 27,070 cents, and then right now, pulled back to 26. Sorry, not 27,000, $27.60, and now it's back down to 26 and 13 cents. So overall, Bitcoin's had a tremendous run. I think it should be getting ready to pull back into this wave 4 and make a final push into wave 5. Maybe this is going to be, next year. Maybe the Bitcoin ETF is announced and we get a huge pump up and that'll finish the first wave. But we could also very well be in this larger pattern, something like this, right? Not this one. I think I had it drawn out on a different chart, but maybe this is a bigger cycle, right? Something like this, a 1, a 2, a 3, 4 and a 5, right? So you might be getting ready to do another whole cycle, right? So we'll do just a cycle here, and you might be getting ready to do something like this, right? And then you'll pull back, and then you go to 100, 150,000. So when the bull run really starts, right, you can really take off. So don't be surprised if something like this plays out, or we just keep pumping in your first cycle wave. You pull back before the halving comes, we chop sideways, and then we start to take off, right? This would align with the Fed cutting rates and next year and starting to do stimulus. This would push up Bitcoin significantly, as well as gold. All right, okay, so let me take a look here at Market Cipher. We got some new daily candles I want to take a look at with you guys. So right now we have a red dot on the daily time frame. We have incredible amount of green money flow at the moment, so it's very, very bullish. So it looks like the next dip that we are going to get once this ABC starts to play out in a corrective wave, then it's going to be a buy the dip opportunity, right? So just get ready for you guys who have kind of missed this whole move, who don't own any Bitcoin. You might get a big buying opportunity coming soon, right? And I'll probably be accumulating even more as we go down, right? So always be buying the dip. before the bull run. And let's take a look here at wave edge. And actually, let's start off with taking a look at the Bitcoin futures, because I do want to see if they are doing any, if we are seeing any transactions, big transactions here. Nothing at this, nothing here, nothing there on the 4-day. 4-day is very important, and the 12-hour, lots of selling there. Okay, so the 6-hour, 4-hour, you are starting to see some more selling right around 44,000, but it does not mean that the top is in. You are getting a lot of significant profit taking on GBTC. So I mean that's probably some, you know, some people just securing some winnings before the ETF is announced, or you know what, maybe they're opening positions right before a very big another pump up, because this rally is very parabolic. However, looking at the MACD on the 4-hour, if we start to cross this on the 4-hour, we might be getting ready for a bit of a pullback in Bitcoin. And in the S&P right now is showing a little bit of weakness. We'll have to see how everything plays out tomorrow. But overall, we are very extended. Let's take a look at some regular charts, like the ones that are traded on Coinbase, stuff like that. So yeah, you're starting to see some selling here. Nothing on the daily time frames, but the overall, the smaller time frames, you are getting a little bit of selling. Right, nothing significant, so significant that like it would be huge warning signs. But yeah, you are getting some selling, right? As per usual, right? This is just profit taking along the way, and just know that we can go higher, but don't be surprised if we start to reverse back down, and you know begin our pullback. And something to take into note is that if you are long, just trail your stop, right? If you enter your trade here, right? Don't just set your stop down here, right? Don't set it at break even when you're so far extended. You know, if we're trading here, you can trail your stop here, and if we go higher, right? Let's say we go to 48,000, right? We're at this level now. Then trail your stop to the previous level, right? Trail your stop here, or do it however you want, but always secure your profits. Anyways, that's basically all I wanted to say. Anyways, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Peace.